And the plungers have O-rings. 2 end ones have 2. The middle one has 4. The head itself has 2 O-rings here. You want to put lubrication on every O-ring. So we're going to start with the big one on the head. So I like to put like a line on the top. Okay, so, and we're also going to put one at the bottom of the O-ring as well. And then we'll smooth those in. You want to get the Petrogel around the whole O-ring. Now, as much Petrogel as you put on now is how much you are cleaning off when you clean the machine off again. But you can never have too much Petrogel. You can have too little, but you can have too much. Okay? This Petrogel has no taste, and it is food safe. So if you put a little too much on and for some reason got in your mix, it's not going to hurt anybody, and they wouldn't even know it was there. So the next thing we're going to do is the plungers. So same thing. Put a bead on both O-rings for the end plunger. Smooth both in, and we'll put in our end here, but we're going to leave it out because we want to make sure we can close our handle like that. Okay, do the middle one next. The middle one has 4, so bead of Petrogel on both. Smooth this in. Same thing. And again for the end. So now we lubed up the head, we reassembled it, and we're going to put it back on. And like when I took it off, I have my hands on both handles here, okay? And we're going to fit this part of the beater shaft into where it goes in the head here. Wiggle and push, you don't want to be too forceful. You're going to hold that, and now when we put the knobs back on, we want to do them all evenly, okay? Now since you only have 2 hands, you're going to do a diagonal. So you'll just start this end here, and then you'll come to this bottom one down here and do that. Get that started. Come to the bottom one down here and get this started. And then the same for the opposite angle. These knobs are meant to go hand tight, so as soon as they don't turn no more, that means they are good to go. Okay, so now the knobs are on. We're going to put our start caps on. Our push rods for now I'm going to keep to the side. We don't need to put those on yet. So just like they came off, they snap back on. The start caps, like the like your drip tray, you want to take those off and clean them every night and sanitize them, leave them to the side. The next day you come in, put them back on. And also you want to always clean and sanitize the end of the spigots where the mix comes out every night. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to mix up some sanitizer. We'll get it in the machine and I'll show you how to do that.